Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you MyFitnessPal how to edit a recipe. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your MyFitnessPal app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, here in order to edit a recipe you need to be a premium user of the MyFitnessPal. So if you aren't subscribed, you won't be able to edit the recipe or any other features that is provided on the premiumship plan. So in order to do it, what you need to do is head over, scroll down, and then you'll find the option that says recipe, or you can just simply tap on the more option on the bottom right, and then you'll find the recipe discovery. Simply tap on that, and once you are here, all you gotta do is locate the recipe you want to edit, and then once you are there, tap on it, and here you'll find a 3-dot icon on the top right, and then simply tap on it and then tap on edit to simply edit the recipe. And now make the changes that you want, and then tap on save to keep changes. So that's basically how to do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.